In the ocean, gotta have the sun, of course, but we're going to talk about something called phytoplankton. Can you say that for me?
Phytoplankton.
And phytoplankton is a one-cell plant, so it is very, very small. In fact, can we see it with our eyes?
No.
What would a scientist need to use to help them see phytoplankton? Oh, even maybe something even a little bit stronger than that. What could they use? Yeah, we're going to use a microscope to see it. We're going to talk about phytoplankton because it's very, very important to the ocean and to the food chain. Okay? Now, we're going to start with phytoplankton, and here's why it's really important. It's really the beginning of the food chain inside the ocean. Okay? The other thing it does, what does a plant have to have in order to grow, create its own energy? What does it have to have?
Sun.
Has to have the sun. What else?
Not always. Water. And the water plants don't.
Hang on, we're going to get there. Hang on. Yep.
Water.
Water. What's the last thing?
Soil.
Don't need to have soil. Don't have to have it.
Oh. Seeds.
No, that's just the start. Don't need the dirt. You got two of them. When we breathe in something called oxygen. It's the oxygen. As the oxygen travels through our body and our body uses it, when you breathe out, is it oxygen anymore? No. Now it's something called carbon dioxide. Do plants need that carbon dioxide? Yeah, it's the carbon dioxide, the sun, and the water. With those three things, we get into photosynthesis. It creates its own energy. Okay? So if we breathe out carbon dioxide and the plants use it, do they need us?
Yeah.
Yeah, when they're done creating their energy, does anybody know what plants give off? What do they give us that we need?
Food.
Well, they do give us food sometimes. What part of the air? But what part? What do we breathe in?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. So plants give us oxygen, we give them
Air.
carbon.
Carbon dioxide.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Everyone say carbon dioxide. They give us carbon dioxide.
Keep your desk
So,
still.
everyone say phytoplankton for me.
Phytoplankton.
For that phytoplankton to grow, to create its energy, it needs the sun, it needs the water, and it needs carbon dioxide. When it's done creating everything, what does it give off to all the other creatures in the ocean?
Oxygen.
Thank you. Now we got it gives off oxygen. Does it also serve for food through some of the animals?
Yes.
Yes, so it does two things. So, beginning of the food chain, food, it gives oxygen. Because it's so important, we're going to do two experiments with phytoplankton today. The first one we're going to do as a chemical. If we're going to work with chemicals, can we touch them?
No.
Can we taste them?
No.
Can we smell them?
No.
Ah, a scientist. Does anybody know how a scientist would smell a chemical?
No. With the nose?
That would actually use your ears.
Wow.
No, they use your nose. Alright, we're going to do something called wafting. Because it would be a really good idea just to put the chemical to my nose and smell it. Now, it's too strong, it can hurt your body. So we're going to do something called wafting. Take one hand, use your imagination, that's important for a scientist. Hang on to the chemical so it does not spill. Are you going to touch it? Drink it?
No.
Smell it like this?
No.
No. Here's the important hand. Here's the wafting hand. Take this hand and nice and slow. Just wave the hand over the cup and then up to your nose. So now we look like this. Now we can smell it. Just makes it very safe. The first one we're going to give you is a blue one.
When he gives you the chemical, that's what you're going to do.
You three are going to share.
That was just
that.
practice.
So you scoot your desk in. You scoot them together. You two are going to share that one. You two are going to share that one. Who says it smells good?
Me? Yeah, it smells really
Alright.
good.
You three scientists are going to share that one. You two scientists are going to share this one. You two.